Good morning mga kabes. It's May it's May 5. Sino may birthday niya? Happy birthday sa lahat ng mga may birthday. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whichever timeline are you in now. Welcome to my welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel, my blog. Today we are going to just go about my daily routine bukod sa pagdi-deliver, pag-pick up ng laundry sa Ace Water Spa. So, eto, kailangan din siyempre merong imo-monitor mo yung business. So that's also what I do every day. Yeah, so welcome to my workstation. Right now, katatapos lang ng business coaching ko, complimentary business coaching ko. My business coach today is Miss Camille of Action Coach. She gave me a very insightful, very na clear sa akin what what I really need to do with our laundry business sa Seawash Laundry Center. What's really needs fixing, improving in terms of numbers sa laundry. Sorry, nagsasalita yung sa YouTube. Sorry. Okay, ayan, okay, sorry. Kasi right now, I'm also watching Digital Marketing 101, A Beginner's Guide to Marketing by Adam Hart. So, that's also one of I need to improve on. I need to be I need to be informative. Matuto ko ng digital marketing para sa online presence ng aking business. So that's for our Seawash Laundry Center, and also for i- i-promote ko na rin. I also sell cleaning products for home, car, car care, uh, cleaning products for industrial equipment, and for swimming pool. Yes, for swimming pool. The name of my online store is Smart Clean PH, one word, Solutions. That's Smart Clean PH Solutions. And if ever you're interested with my product, just go visit my store sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa TikTok, and sa FB page. Wala pa sa Instagram. Soon to, under construction pa lang. So, you could check out the prices of the products available doon. Meron doon Fabric Cologne, that's one of the best seller. Yun yung secret namin, na hindi na secret ngayon. Secret namin sa laundry shop, to keep the laundry smelling pleasant. So mabango siya. Mabango yung laundry, and pag nilagay niyo sa cabinet or sa closet yung damit nyo, tatagal talaga yung bango niya, kumakapit talaga, because the fabric cologne that we use is alcohol based, so kumakapit yon. So much for that. So uh, hope you uh, people from Mandaluyong and nearby people from our barangay, our community near Seabash Londi sa Zapis Tower Condominium, located at A. Luna Street, corner P. Gomez Street. So, if you're near our area, please do drop by, and I hope you also magpalaba din po kami sa amin. So, and please also check out my online stores, Smart Clean PH Solutions. Online stores is at yung online store ko nasa FB Marketplace, Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. Yun. So, very insightful yung naging business coaching sa akin ni Miss Camille. So, shout out to Miss Camille. Thank you so much. It's a very productive 1 hour business coaching for free. For free. So, if you're interested for business coaching, kung may negosyo kayo, please do approach Action Coach. Siguro i-google nyo na lang kung ano yung kanilang ano. Or siguro ilagay ko doon sa description dito sa YouTube yung kung ano yung kanilang website. So, welcome to my daily routine and welcome to my small workstation. And so I am now holding yung aming May 7 na sales, and ita-transfer ko siya, i-encode ko siya sa Excel. So dito makikita ko yung the whole picture, the whole Shazam. Ayan, so this is the daily income and expense worksheet ko. I'm also watching now in YouTube yung Digital Marketing 101, A Beginner's Guide to Marketing by Adam Hart. So, kailangan ko yan for my online presence. Digital marketing, sabi nila, if your business is not online, it's not on the internet, you really are not marketing at all. Sabi nila. So, sabi ng business coach ko, si Miss Camille, sabi niya, I have to work on my online presence, yung FB page ko, kasi ang daming FB page ng Save Wash Laundry Center. So, I have to delete the rest and keep only one. Yan. So, welcome to my workstation. Actually, dito ako ngayon sa lamesa namin. This is my workstation. Minsan nasa kwarto ko. So, that's it. I hope you like my video, and I hope meron kayong at least insight na nakuha. Magamit nyo rin with your business. Action Coach, business coaching, business. They're in the business of business coaching. Ayun. So, ang pangalan niya is Action Coach. So, if you have a small business, it's going to be very useful kung ilalagay niyo siya, magdi-digital na talaga kayo. So, ilatag niyo siya in Excel format. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo. So, nandyan yung day, yung date, important yung day para malaman kung anong araw kami may yung lean days and yung marami, yung peak days namin. So, kailangan when doing a business, alam mo kung kailan yon para you can adjust. Tapos, nandyan yung date, dahil laundry shop ako, so nandyan yung load, wash, and dry. Yung number of load sa dry and wash. Tapos, pino-fold din siya. So, kasama na pati yung soap, yung presyo ng soap. So, that's the gross income. And, ayan yung expenses namin. And, siguro you won't anymore be surprised with the expenses kasi talagang because of the crisis, malaki ang LPG namin. Pinakamalaki namin na gastusin ay LPG, electricity, and water. Ayan. So, okay. Tapos, breakdown ko siya into total income, so that's gross. Merong total expense, so net income ngayon. That's total income less total expense, net income. Meron ding total sale na take home ako kasi sa listahan namin dito, uh, merong bukod dun sa total income on a day, kasi hindi naman lahat nagbabayad on a day, pwedeng utang sa amin. So makikita mo dyan, yung total sale kasama yung nagbayad na customer na utang. Yan, so I hope you learn something. If you're interested in having a laundry business, soon I will also be business coaching. Magbi-business coach na rin ako, specifically for for aspiring laundry business owner. Sorry, maingay yung mga aso. Okay, so that ends my video for now, and hope everybody have a great day today, and go lang tayo if you're interested in entering in starting a business. Just my piece of advice is to know everything, para tawag dito, do a due diligence, o ibig sabihin tingnan nyo paano ba to kumikita. Baka puro promises lang, tapos yung pala hindi yun talaga yung actual. That's for my next video siguro. I will discuss yung particulars of specifically dito sa laundry business. So thank you so much for watching, mga kabes, mga kabes TV. Enjoy your day, and till the next video. Pakinggan nyo muna, kumakanta yung mga aso namin. Oh, ayan ayun yung tatay Okay. Narinig na nila yung kanilang narinig na nila yung bunso ko. Narinig na nila, kaya nag-ano sila. So that's the magandang ending ng ating video, is listening to the dog choral. our mga pets dito. So enjoy your day again. Paulit-ulit ako, and till the next tips, my 40, that's my tips, my trips, my taste, yung mga gusto kong pagkain, taste, and my tunes, my favorite tunes, and everything in between and outside, beyond those that I mentioned. So kita tayo ulit mga kabest on my next video. Thank you for watching. Nagpapapansin na naman po ang bungal na sorry ang bungal na vlogger. Okay, this is Voltaire Zoleta, signing out.